fog, even though that shit was from the pirates. Stop eating my food! Stop eating my food!
Fucking come over
Shit!
here with me. I had to jump to catch up to you. Such bullshit. Can't do shit. I'm in
Oh, I
the.
hear the wind picking up.
Oh, I'm going back to the cave. Fuck this shit. Fuck this shit. I'm out. Peppin.
No!
Peppin, no, Peppin.
I'm not in the mood! I'm not in the mood! Fuck that! I saw trees flying! I'm leaving! Goodbye! No! Fuck this shit, I'm out! Ew! I saw the trees flying behind me because I'm like, I hear a lot of shit
You know
happening.
what? I want an apology. What I tell you when we walked out here? I want my apology. I want my fucking apology. There's there to go right there, and you talk about some. Oh shit! Get from the cave. Give me the entrance.
God.
Give me the entrance.
Okay, but like, I'm curious. Hold on.
No, Peppin.
No, never mind. I'm not curious no more. I'm not curious no more. That shit's loud. Fuck that. We are. It's like right. I'm not at the entrance. Oh my god, there's a whole ass tree on you, bruh. It's right on top of us. You scared of NATOs. See, if we didn't have such low AP, HP, health, whatever the fuck you want to call it, I would totally be out there eating my ass across the damn map with that tornado.
I still want my apology because I tried to warn you and you basically shit on me. You gave me shit for trying to be safe. You gave me shit for trying to be cautious. Talking about some, is this the 19th century or some shit? I'm like, you know what?
Not say that, but okay.
You know what? You know what? Like I said,
that is the 19th century.
Fog and wind bring NATOs. We're literally out there eating less than 5 minutes, and the fucking NATO damn near ran us over, Peppin.
Oh yeah, that NATO.
So next time when I warn you about a NATO, we're just gonna, you know, I'm just gonna, you know, is it gone? Is it gone?
I don't hear it anymore. It's literally spawned just to fuck with us while we're eating. Like it's literally gone.
Somebody's fucking with us. It's right there, Peppin. Oh.
That's right where?
It's over there. You don't see it? It's in fucking front of us. You don't see it?
No, it's lagging the shit out of me when I look in that direction. Yes, I can see it.
Peppin is coming back! It's coming back! Peppin is coming back!
Hey, I forgot! You said right in front of us. I'm literally not looking at it. What the fuck, bruh? Let me out the cave! Let me out! Bruh, I'm sorry. I gotta have a little bit of beef with this NATO, because this bitch is being stupid. Alright, so that bitch can literally just spawn and spawn on the other side of Loris.
I already got smacked. I'm not getting smacked again.
Ooh, this air. Oh god. I just want to eat. Like, oh my god. It's so loud. Yes, it is. It's programmed to follow the nearest player. Yes. Every time I've been by myself on this fucking island, and I've spawned in, that bitch will come after me. What I tell you, the bitch is still on top of me. Leave me alone.
I'm trying to lead it away.
It's following me, honey.
I said I'm trying to lead it away. Wait, are you coming this way?
Yes. What? What are you doing? So it's like breaking out. It's breaking. I was like, I don't see it. Bitch is literally coming
I'm
at
putting this
me.
in funny moments, bro. That fucking NATO left and came back.
It left like, and then it came back like.
Oh shit! I don't trust this shit, bro. I don't trust this shit. I don't trust. It's coming back. Don't scare me.
Yes, it's like right there. you. That shit, when it goes away, it gets so quiet.
Oh
It's
my
just
god.
really fucking foggy, so I can't tell what's the
I told
NATO.
you it was in front of us. You talking about some where? I said run, it's coming back. I can't let you be my eyes and ears, bitch. You can't. It's coming back. Pepin, get the fucking cat.
Where? I never
Get the
see
cave,
it,
get the cave,
bro.
get the cave. It's
I
on
never
now.
hear. Wait.
Get the cave, get the
Oh
cave, get the
shit,
cave,
not
get
here.
the cave, get the
God.
cave, get the cave.
Bro, you ran away. Oh, it's like right there. Nah, no thing.
Oh my god.
Is it just legit just gonna stay here forever now? It's so loud. I'm so hungry. Come back, you pussy! Oh my god! Dude, I don't think it ever will. It is legitimately just following us.
God, curse of
Like, I run over here, and the shit is coming this way. If I run back, it's gonna follow me back. Oh, it's right here. Ah, not back! No, I'm sorry. No, I'm leaving. Goodbye. They can't hurt us in a cave. Is angry at us? Yeah. Oh, you come to my house? Come to my house. Imagine if we just were, like, went to forest, the bitch just threw us around in the fucking forest. Oh my god, the shit is legitimately, why is it so fast? It's lagging me really bad. I hate this, I just want food.
No, it's gonna start us out. Oh shit, we already came this way. Nope, fuck that. Shit.
Did we? I don't even
I've set
fucking
the
remember.
sunflowers. I set the sunflowers down that way. That's why I know we already came this way. Pepin, be careful. I swear to God.
I will be careful, I promise.
Pepin, you can't see it though. You can't see it. You can only
Oh
hear
my
it.
god!
See it?
I never can see it because whenever I come out of this fucking cave, my camera just clips through my body.
No. Hold on.
The shit
Gone.
gets frustrating.
Gone.
Oh, I hear it, I hear it. Nope, it's over there. You jinxed it! You jinxed it! It's right here!
Guys, no, wait, we're gonna run out the other cave. There's so many entrances, Pepin.
Run? Do you think we should just run back to like Forest Pond? Cause we gotta run. We can't stay in the cave. We can probably run to the other cave, the one with the bias, with that fucking health bias crystals in it. So in case I starve, I can just go eat it.
Look,
I
Pepin.
can
I
barely
might have.
fucking remember either. Hold on.
Oh my god.
Where's the entrance way? There.
This is hilarious.
This
Stop
cave,
putting this
that
shit in
cave is
funny
useless.
moments. Stop putting this in funny moments.
Cause I was so fucking blind because the tornado lags me out and it fucking fog until like the last minute when it's
Oh my
right
god.
on top of my ass.
Oh my god. This is hilarious. Watch
It's
this.
annoying.
He's
It's gonna
waiting
get so.
outside. It's waiting outside for us, bro.
I already know it. I feel it.
I don't
Okay,
think
but we got hills though, so like if it comes on our asses, we can still outrun it with this heavy. Well, I can outrun it with the
Pepin?
heavy. I wouldn't leave you. I don't hear it. Okay, well I just want to make a fucking beat for it already. Oh shit! Wait, I don't even know where we are.
Pepin, get you. Hold. I don't know.
It's over there somewhere. I'm getting the fuck away from it. If we get away from where it spawned in the first place, it should leave us the fuck alone. I'm pretty sure. That seems like that's how that works.
Hope you're right. Hope you're right.
Well, lucky for you, I worked in game dev for like 2 years,
Okay,
so
good. I'm following you. You better. You better.
you can get the
'Cause
fuck away from the trees. I don't see any trees being lifted, so it probably is just way the fuck over there where it should stay.
We're going.
I'm gonna
'Cause I
eat
don't
some
wanna-
shit.
I don't wanna get.
Yeah,
Pepin,
cause sometimes
the trees are flying. It's behind
what?
us. It's
Where?
it's
Where? And
behind
what?
us. It's behind us, Pepin. It's fucking behind us. Fucking Pepin.
The fog
It's
is
behind
just
us. Do you see it?
I
Do you see
cannot
it? The
see
big
it.
cloud. Do you not see it? Pepin, I
No,
see it.
the
Pepin, I see it. Pepin, I see it.
The fog. I tell you, I tell
Oh
you,
my
I
god,
can't.
I can see you through the fog, Pepin. Keep running. Keep running,
Oh
please.
shit! Oh fuck that! Oh no! I see that bitch. No, goodbye. Oh shit, bro! There's two of them.
There's two where?
What? There's always two of them when I'm online. Of course, I'm not surprised. I just like, ah, shit, I can't catch these bitches. I'm
Gosh.
running at the fucking stamina. I need food. I don't care if I eat this fucking seaweed and get food poisoning or whatever the fuck you
Fuck
get
the
from.
food. I'm trying to live.
Well, I don't want to starve to death, so.
Alright, well, I'm going up the mountain.
Why?
Look at
So you can get thrown off the mountain? You stay near the sea, so at least if it tugs your ass around, you're getting.
It's coming close, Pepin. It's getting close.
Yes, I hear the wind, but I don't see it.
It's behind you somewhere. Pepin, I'm getting paranoid and PSTD.
I'm gonna go check it out.
Oh my
No, I'm
god, no,
joking.
what the
I'm
fuck?
joking. I'm joking.
So, wait, if we eat the seaweed, we get food poisoning? No, we don't.
Or because it's not for us. I don't
Oh,
think. What?
it takes the bias away. Oh shit. Oh, damn it. God fucking.
Oh damn! I ate like 8 of them.
Oh.
No, I biased. It's -8, man. You
Alright,
suck.
just get your ass over here. We'll figure something out. Like, here, come eat some of these. You can eat some of these over here. You can eat some of these. Oh, shit. You can eat some
Coming.
of them. Oh shit. I think I ate.
Coming. This is like the odd side of fucking tundra that no one else explores.
Really?
We didn't have any choice. Yeah, I've
Yeah.
never been over
The
here.
fucking native